I'm Justin Cracraft with Cracraft Backhoe. I'm in the construction industry, dig a lot of footings. I've owned the Case Backhoe for 3 years now and just purchased a second one last year. I've been working with Mike and Ronnie for the last 3 years.
It's been a pleasure working with them and building the relationship that we do here with Sunray. Sold him his first hoe 3 years ago and then his second hoe just this year. Always a pleasure working with great customers, and Justin is one of those.